Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will read about present perfect tense. Okay, you all must have written the homework which I have given about your dreams, but sometimes we also want to express about what we have done, what are we have expressed earlier, what we have done earlier. So to express it, we use the tenses which are present perfect tense. Okay, I am going to elaborate this type of tenses. You can write the definition in your English grammar copy and write some examples too, which I am going to explain. With the help of this, you will be able to make the sentences well. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about the definition of present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? These sentences are these tense represents the work which has been done but the effect of which still exists. It means what? Not very earlier. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बहुत पहले हुआ है. It just happened. ऐसे सारे सेंटेंसेस जो उन तरह के घटनाओं को बताते हैं जो कि अभी जस्ट हुई हैं. लाइक आप सभी लोगों ने ब्रेकफास्ट किया होगा. सो हाउ विल यू से? You will say, I have taken my breakfast. Or you all can say, आप सभी आज सुबह होंगे तो अब सबने शावर लिया होगा ना, तो you will say, Ma'am, I have taken my shower. Or I have taken the bath today. It means what? You are explaining what have you done today, but not very earlier, not about very earlier incidents. You are talking about the things which had just happened. Okay. So the sentences are the tense which represents the work which has been done but its effect still exists. That is known as present perfect tense. How we make the sentences in this tense? So there are two rules. One, it will use has and have. Like when we have studied continuous tense, तो हमने वहाँ पे क्या यूज किया था? We had used is, am, are. Same like that, when we make sentences in present perfect tense, we use has, have. Okay, and the third form of the verb. So for making sentences in present perfect tense, it's compulsory that you all know the third form of maximum verbs. So I am also giving you one more assignment, that at least write 20 verbs with all their forms, like their first, second and third form. Moving ahead. So a question arises that when we use has, have, हम लोग has, have को use कब करते हैं? So have is generally used with the pronouns like I, you, we and they, and with the plural nouns. When is has is used with the pronouns like he, she, it and with the singular nouns. What are the examples of present perfect tense? I have written articles on different topics. मैं कई topics पे articles लिख चुका हूँ. He has read various kind of books. Read. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि spelling same है, R-E-A-D, but we call it read when we talk about the third form of the verb read. They have played football. Played, which is the third form, and we are using have here. She has taken coffee. Has taken. Okay. He has gone to the library. Has हमने यूज किया. Why? Because here is the pronoun used he, and gone, which is the third form of the verb go. When the affirmative sentences come, means what? The positive sentences come. Then how will we make sentences? Subject plus has, have plus verb. Like I can say, you all can say, I have done my homework. Have, I, क्यों हम लोग have यूज किए? Because we are using I. Done मतलब complete कर चुके हैं. अपना होमवर्क, या यू कैन से आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई असाइनमेंट्स, माई होमवर्क। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में जब निगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं वो कैसे बनाते हैं, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट। लाइक वी कैन से कि मान लो एनी वन ऑफ योर क्लास हुज नेम इज प्रिया and she has not completed his homework. So how will you say me? You will say, ma'am, Priya has not completed her homework. Has not completed. Okay. Present perfect tense में interrogative sentences, which is also known as question form sentences. So how do we make it? We make it has, have. हमारी जो starting होगी question की, it will start from has, have plus subject प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। जैसे कि मैं पूछूं कि क्या आप ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुके हो, ओके, तो इट्स इंग्लिश विल बी हैव यू टेकन योर ब्रेकफास्ट। इट मीन्स व्हाट, हैव यू, पहले हमने हैव स्टार्ट किया और यू यूज किया। हमने हैव क्यों यूज किया, बिकॉज द प्रोनाउन यू इज हियर, एंड देन टेकन मतलब कि क्या आप अपना ब्रेकफास्ट ले चुके हो या फिर क्या आप ब्रेकफास्ट खा चुके हो। ओके, योर मदर्स कैन आस्क दैट हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर होमवर्क, क्या तुमने अपना वर्क पूरा किया है, क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया है। तो इस तरह से हम लोग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस बनाते हैं। आई होप कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि हाउ टू मेक सेंटेंसेस इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। सो टुडे we will do the exercises with it. Like you all can see in your English practice book, there is the chapter present perfect tense, which is your 7th chapter, on page number 54. You have to complete the exercise 1 which is given on page number 54. Okay, so complete it and share. Thank you. Take care a lot.